One of the things that I love so much about teaching and coaching the Genesis program is that people think transformation is so whimsical and so great. Transformation is really about getting muddy and learning how to clean yourself off. There's a metaphor that I use. If you've ever seen the movie Shawshank Redemption, transformation is like going to jail, getting out of jail, crawling through the sewer filled with human feces, then breaking free. That's what transformation's like. But who wants to do that? Who wants to go to jail for something they never did? Who wants to spend 20 years digging rocks in a jail cell? Who wants to go through that process of crawling through human feces to get out on the other side? That's what transformation's like. Most people don't want to do that. Most people want to look, most people want to watch. But for me, and what I take you through is, we're gonna get muddy. You're gonna realize why you're in that self-imprisoned jail cell. You're gonna realize what you've done to contribute to where you're at in your life currently. And that transformation or redemption is always possible, but it's not pretty, it's not comfortable, it can be scary, it's going to be messy, it's going to be hard, it's going to take resiliency, it's going to take devotion. But if you do it, like Andy Dufresne, you're redeemed, you're free, you're liberated, you are transformed. And the reason I say muddy is because I have a saying here: no mud, no flower. The lotus flower grows in the swamps. You don't get the lotus if you're unwilling to go into the swamp and get messy. That would be how we approach, or that is how I approach transformation, and that's what this program is about.